Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video we created one API controller, product API controller, and we created two methods, get and post method, to store the products and to get all the products via get method. So in this video we will see about the two new HTTP methods like HTTP put and HTTP delete. So when we use the HTTP put, so when we require to edit any data in the entity, for example in the product in here, we can use the NTTP put method. And when we want to delete any products, any entity, we can use the HTTP delete method. So let's see with the example. So first I'm creating the HTTP delete method. So just copy this product, and for the deletion we require one ID. So here we have the ID, integer ID, and now I'm getting product, variable product equal to products dot first dot default x such x dot ID equals to ID. Okay, so here we use the first dot default method. So first we if you don't aware of the first dot default, you can see the first dot default video from our channel. And I'm getting one product, which ID is whatever we are getting from the request. So first I am doing this product selection, and now I'm deleting that product from our product list, and then we are updating the list here again. Okay, so this is our delete endpoint. So you have to add http delete. Okay, so when you are adding the http delete, you can see this is our ID, it will be a query params. So best practice is that you can put that ID into the route param, and how you can add a route like this. So when you are adding any ID in the route param, so for example here our API will be API slash products slash ID, whatever 1 2 3, and the HTTP method will be HTTP delete. So it will be delete this product from our list. Okay, so let's see this example. Okay, so here I'm adding first one product, like ID will be 3, product name will be book XYZ, and the price will be 30 or 40. Okay, 40, sure. So you can see we added a product ID 3 as a book XYZ, and now I want to delete this product from my list. So I'm just hitting the delete method. You can see that this is HTTP delete, and the ID is in the route param. So I am deleting this product, ID is 3. Okay, and execute it. So now you can see that 1 and 2 products will returns as a list. So here best practice is that when you are deleting something, you don't require to send data back to the user, right? So for that we can just pass the null value to the user as a success measure. Okay, so I'm just changing that in the code. Removing this product and just put as a null. So you can see something different when we are hitting this API again. Okay, now I'm deleting the product ID 2, and you can see what's the change here. So you can see there is a response code is 204 undocumented. Okay, Why we are getting 204? So when you are passing any response which has a null value, right, it will be written as a 204 rather than the 200. Okay, so there is a nothing to display to the user, there is a nothing for the user as a response. That means it will be written the 204 status code. And when you are using this delete method, you can use the 204 as a status code. So, and this 200 series is all the series are success responses, so you can use the 204 for it. For product creation we can use the 201. Okay, for deletion we can use the 204. Okay, so this status code we will learn more into next further videos. Okay, so first we will make our code for the put method. So let's get for the put. Okay, so now I want to update any records in our product list. As so I am creating one put method at ttp put, and here we spelled post but it should be a delete. And here we have to our put method, or we can add edit product. Okay, now for put method we require two params. One is its id and another is the what we have to change in our particular entity. So our here the entity is our model is here as a product model, so I am using the product. Okay, and we can change name is a request editable product. Okay, okay, so first we will get the index of particular product which has the id as a 1. So first I'm create deleting this one, my bad. So variable index equal to product dot find the index. Okay, now we see that index will, if it is a -1, so we can return the no found. No found means there is a no product available for the editing. And if we found this product, so what we can do, products dot products index equal to our editable products. Okay, and our editable products id equals to id. Okay, and now let's run again. Okay, so here you can see that there are four endpoints: get, post, delete and put method. So first I'm getting one product, uh, id product 1 is id 1 laptop and the price is 999. Now I want to change this price is 991 to 100. So I am using this http put method and the id is 1. Okay, and you just simply copy paste it. The id is 1, price is 999 and I'm changing as a 100 and just execute it. Yes, so now you can see that price is changed as $100. Okay, so this is our put method. So idea is that when we use the put, when we can use the http delete method, when we can use the http get method and http post method. There is a one more method is like a http patch. This patch method is used for to update the particular record with the particular properties. For example, if you want to just update this price and you don't want to send whole object of the product, you just want to send this price, then you can use the http patch method. So we can create a further videos for the other methods, http patch and others. Okay, so this is a basic video for http delete and http put. If you like this video and if you don't subscribe this channel, please subscribe it and hit the like button. Thank you. Happy coding.